and actually zoom in on a level of a higher high, higher close, or lower low, lower close. Okay. Drag this up, make it a little bigger. There we go. So in this case, we're in a bearish trend, right? We have our initial starting point up here. We have an impulse leg down giving us an initial structure low. We then get our outside return, and we're looking for the market to come back down and test our previous initial structure low, which is going to be right here at this thick blue line. Now I should make this a different color since I'm using blue all the time. Let's make this dark green, money color. You can see this big red candle right here. As it pushes down, not only do we break the lows of our initial structure low, but we close below it, giving us a valid lower low, lower close, and also a valid new structure low. Again, right here, here's another great example. We're in a bearish trend. We have our initial structure point up here in the left corner, our initial starting point. We make a move down, giving ourselves our initial structure low. We then get our outside return. Price action then comes back to test our initial structure low. I'll draw a line in, and you can see right here with this red candle, we get a break lower and a close lower. A lower low, lower close. So we're looking at the low computer's lagging a little bit, but that's okay. We get our low right here, so the wick of this candle, the lowest low point we can find. We draw the line, and we need to break and close below that line. Market continues down, giving us our new structure low. And if we're reading this, we're clicking our charts along, and we're pulling this line as long as we keep putting in lower lows. So obviously our first new structure low is up here, and as we keep pushing lower, this is going to be our new structure low before we get a turnaround. Market gives us another outside return. And then in order to see a continuation of this trend, we need to see another new structure low. So we need to break and close below this dark blue line down here. So let's click through, see what happens. Market puts in a big bearish candle down. Market puts in another one. We're getting close. We're at our decision point zone. So we're starting to think to ourselves, okay, the market's in our zone where we're either going to see a continuation of trend, or we're going to see that structure level hold, and we may have consolidation or a counter trend opportunity. Market pushes down, and what do we have right here? Do we have a new structure low, low, guys? Yes or no? Lower low, lower close? Give me a yes or no. Based off what we learned. There we go. Someone nailed it. I see mostly no's. Again, what do we need to remember? We need to have a lower low and a lower close. And you can see we don't get that. And a lower close. See,
yeah, you can say. It's not that you can't say. It's like it either
yeah,
is or it isn't.
Black
100 out of
did
100 traders have
close,
to agree.
did the low of our candle right here, our red candle, did that close below previous structure? Yes or no? There's no middle ground. It either did or it didn't. Yeah.
So the guys got it. I'm making the point here that, you know, that's a rule inside of our training program, is that 100 out of 100 traders have to agree. When we